Welcome to Curaytor's Listing Studio, a place where you can easily and quickly promote your listing across all social media email channels. To start, notice that we've got all your listings automatically from the MLS. As soon as you get a new listing, it'll show up here. Let's pick a listing to promote. I'm going to promote this coming soon. The first thing we want to do to kick off our marketing is we want to build a landing page. But building a landing page traditionally means going to your content management system, adding a new page, loading in images, writing up the description and the information, and honestly, that just takes a lot of time. So we've simplified it by allowing you to create a landing page in just a few simple clicks. First, we'll click Build a Landing Page. We know this is coming soon, so let's go ahead and create that type of landing page. What you're seeing is our system generating the perfect landing page headline based on your MLS listing. Next, we're going to pick the type of landing page we want. Let's go with the listing image. And when is this listing going live? Let's go ahead and generate the landing page. And there we go, a beautifully generated landing page in seconds. Now your potential buyers or sellers can easily fill in the form and tell you what they're looking for. Next step, let's promote this listing on social media. With a few clicks, we could promote this listing on Facebook and Instagram. Let's see how it works. In under a second, we've already got a perfectly written post for Facebook and Instagram. We can pick our images. We can change the copy however we want, and you'll notice that we're also linking to that landing page that we just created. What's amazing about the Curaytor Listing Studio promotion tools is that we're using AI, but we're also using the 10 years of marketing expertise that Curaytor has to create these perfectly written prompts. You can see that whether it's a coming soon listing, just listed, you want to feature that home, you've got an open house, or even you need to do a price reduction. The Curaytor listing copy has been meticulously created to ensure that your listing has the best chance of attracting those clicks. We can choose to run an ad and boost this post across Facebook and Instagram. We provide some minimum budgets based on what we've seen work, but you're more than welcome to change that if you have a larger budget or a smaller budget. You can also post without any budget. Let's go ahead and accept these defaults and move to the next step. And there you have it. In 2 clicks, we've got 2 posts that are ready to go and be promoted on Facebook and Instagram. Now let's blast this listing out over email. Curaytor's Listing Studio makes promoting this listing over email a breeze. In just a few seconds, we can easily email our audience with news about this coming soon listing. And if we want to change the tactic, we can switch those here as well. Curaytor's perfected email marketing over the last 10 years, so we know exactly what to say and how to say it so your listing stands out in the inbox. If the lifecycle listing changes or you want to announce something about your listing, just click on the lifecycle you want, change the tactic, change the length, and hit regenerate. Anyone can use AI to write a listing email, but Curaytor takes it to the next level because we have 10 years of experience doing this before AI was even a thing. We've tailored it to make sure that every word is impactful, meaningful, and gives your listing the best chances to convert in that inbox. Sending this email just means choosing an audience and clicking send. Now, let's say you want to be creative with your landing page. Maybe you want to provide access to the listing without it being gated behind a lead capture page. Or maybe you want to write a blog post about the 10 best places to hide from your kids in this listing. The choices are endless and the choice is yours. All you have to do is click in, paste in the link to your blog post or any landing page that you want, and click Insert. And just like that, you've got a social post ready for Facebook and Instagram with your own custom landing page. So in just a few steps, we've built a landing page, promoted our listing across Facebook and Instagram, boosted those posts, and we've sent an email to our entire audience. The last step is let's show our seller that we've been busy promoting their listing. Let's create a seller report to bring everything together. But instead of me creating it here, we're going to show you how one of our longtime customers, Dean Linnell, uses the seller reports. The seller report allows you to select the different social posts that you've done for your listing across Facebook, Instagram, and email. Once you've selected all the activity, we generate the page for you. Let's take a look. The seller report is about showing your seller how you're marketing their listing. We show how many times the listing has been viewed, how many leads it's generated, and overall interest in your listing. Dean's gone above and beyond by customizing his seller report with market updates and stats from popular portals. The seller report automatically shows you the marketing metrics that matter: views, engagement, and interested buyers. And you can see the marketing campaigns that Dean wants to show his sellers he's been posting. I hope that gives you a great overview of Curaytor's Listing Studio and some of the powerful features we have that make it easy to promote your listing over social and email and drive results for you and your sellers.